it's not. Well, it's a start. The garlic scape, the garlic scapes are just starting to come. When you, well, you don't have to, but I always harvest these and dehydrate them, powder them, and keep them all winter long to season my food. It's delicious. What an amazing day. I got my shoulder worked on by a good friend of mine. I got some amazing yarn. I will show it to you here. It is from her own mohair goats. They're called Angora goats, but they make mohair. It's confusing. It's not Angora. And I got 200 grams. It's a lace weight, but I think if I hold it double, I can make some really nice socks. I have big plans. Very, very excited. So it's mohair and merino and nylon. Pretty sweet. It is raining, which of course made me super nervous about the bike tour. I don't know if you can hear it. But the great news is the bike tour day 1, which is when the weather was supposed to be so terrible, has been canceled. So I now am free to drive Leela to and from work, which is good because we were having a little trouble figuring out who was going to do that. And I don't have to ride in the rain. Especially good because I tried to find a clear shower cap today. No dice. The only thing I could find was bright pink or bright blue. And then the waterproof gloves that I found also bright blue. So I was definitely high risk of looking like a circus clown on day 1 of the bike tour, which is now canceled. So we're making plans to do day 2. Trying to figure out who's going to drive where and drive what and that sort of thing, so we can bike from one end to the other and then get back to where our vehicles are. And I think it's all going to work out. So I'm feeling really good. I don't care that I have a raging migraine. Life is good. It's perfect. Big load off my mind. Okay, well, that's about it for now. I'll probably check in with you later, but if I don't, actually I won't check in with you later, but what I will do is show you some footage from my friend's farm where she raises these amazing goats. So I hope you enjoy, and I will see you again tomorrow for not bike riding.